Want to transform your photos and favorite tunes into captivating videos that tell a story? First, choose your weapon. There's a ton of software out there, from free options like iMovie and CapCut, great for beginners, to more advanced programs like Filmora or Adobe Premiere Rush. Pick one that fits your budget and skill level, and download it. Next, import your photos. Drag them into your chosen software's timeline. Think about the order you want them to appear in. A chronological order often works well for memories, while a more curated sequence might be better for showcasing products. Now for the magic ingredient: music. Find a royalty-free track that matches the mood of your photos. Drag it into the timeline below your images. Synchronization is key. Adjust the length of each photo to match the rhythm of the music. Add transitions between photos for a smoother flow. Experiment with different fades, wipes, or dissolves to find what you like. Fine-tune the audio. Make sure the music isn't overpowering any potential voiceover or sound effects you might want to add. Finally, export your masterpiece. Choose your desired resolution. 1080p is usually a good balance of quality and file size. Select a suitable frame rate, like 30 frames per second, and pick your file format. MP4 is generally recommended. Hit that export button, wait for the rendering to complete, and boom! You've created a stunning video from your photos and music. Share it with the world and enjoy the memories.